Hey, welcome back to another video, everybody. Super excited. We got a really cool adventure today. Doing a hike down by Deckers and then actually bringing our fishing gear along with me and my buddy Jared. We're gonna do a little fly fishing too along the trail itself. There's this creek that he saw some fish in before, so we're gonna give that a whirl. And yeah, hopefully catch some stuff, have some good times. It's a beautiful day down this trail. What's up? Finally that time we're gonna fish. There's some little trout we've been seeing in this creek. Nothing, you know, massive, like 6, 8 inches, like little dudes, but we're gonna, you know, give it a whirl, try to catch something. So here we go. This is what I'm throwing, this little fly. What are you throwing? It's gonna be that dude. Got him? All right, so no luck at that first spot, but we're seeing a ton of trout in here, and you got one? No shit. He came off. Oh, dude, that's awesome though. I'm glad you hooked up. Okay, so as I was saying, I had one at that first spot come up and take my fly right there. Jared just had one on and lost at the shore. There's definitely some little trout in here. We're gonna keep it going. Hopefully catch some. Nice, dude. Yeah. All right, cool. Nice, guys. We got one. Little brookie. Oh, cool. Now you're up here, dude. Oh yeah, baby. Don't let the kid get hot. Nice, buddy. Another one. Did you catch one too? Dude. We're out here killing these little dudes. Oh, look at that. Nice. Beautiful fish. All right, bye, buddy. Thank you. Fun, I tell you what. it comes up. There, got one. Whoa. Oh yeah, look at this beautiful. Cool, dude. Nice. Alright guys, so I've been using this little fly so far. It's been working for me here. Jared's been using another little fly, something a little different. There's a dam right here, which is awesome. This natural dam. Beaver's doing work. And this beautiful deeper water up here catching fish. We caught some over there. We're pulling them out actually from right behind here, right at the lower water. There's some. And Jared's catching some over on that side, so we're having a good time out here. Little dude, let's go. Hey guys, just made it back to my car here at the rideshare lot in Morrison. So awesome day, I really enjoyed it. Our hike was beautiful, really great views, cool like rocks that we saw up towards the peak. It was more of like a chill hike beginning out, and then definitely gained some elevation there at the middle, and then overall at the top was, you know, not too crazy, but it was neat. We'd seen all those rock structures, seen that arch. It's just crazy to think about all the, you know, the different natural forces and, you know, erosion that causes that. And we hiked down and caught some of the brookies, some little brook trout, you know, nothing crazy, but they're super fun still. And I've been grinding, catching trout out here, you know, so just to start somewhere, and they're super pretty fish. So yeah, thanks for watching and hanging out. I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully that's in frame.